Hello guys, Merry Christmas, and hope I am on time this time. So the subject of today is when Wall Street guys hit the market 2021. Now I don't mean the whole year, so I mean next week and January or February. Hello Bobby Six Killer, thank you very much for coming. So as you can see, this year Wall Street guys hit the market in the mid or after in February until end of March. It means it's like 1 month, 4 weeks. Hello Max Kubiak. So 4 weeks it was a downtrend for 4 weeks, and then everything stops going down, and then all the market we have the big trend. Now before the market has the first gap down, so for me I sold almost all my stocks on the 21st of February. Now this I have, it's verified trades. It means you can go to my subscription, you go on the 21st of February. I have, I think, about 10 or 12 stocks. I sold all of them except 2 because they were doing good, and all my other stocks I sold them. On Monday we have a gap down in the whole market. I sold the 2 and then I begin to sell short. Okay, so that was the big hit of this year. Okay, and it takes the whole market from end of March, so March, so April, May, June, July, September, October, November, yes, until nearly November. It means about 6 or 7 months until the market comes back where it was before. Okay, so for 1 month in a downtrend or big correction equals about 6 or 7 months going up. Understand that when the stock market is going down so quick, so you can understand why it is so quick. And when it is going up, it's going up slowly. If you take 6 months, let's say just 6 months, and we take 1 month, what does it mean? It means what the market has gone down, when it went down for 1 month equals 6 months or 7 months of the market going up. So when the market goes up, it's slow, although it's going up. But the market, when it's going down, it's just only 1 month, and some stocks lost about 30%, 40%, 50%, depends on stocks. So it was a big hit to the market. Hello wise man, hello Rahmatullah Moody. So now we have in December, we have the good news about corona vaccine, about Moderna and Pfizer, and the market is not doing anything. In November and December, I will show you right now in the chart that the market has not been doing anything serious. This is because the people are scared. Okay, some people they buy and they wait. Some people they sell their shares and wait. So everything, all the people are scared. They don't know what will be going. Especially we are at the end of the year, and we have next week from Monday to Thursday, which is 31st of December, people, they might think, oh, maybe next week we get hit, this Wall Street guys, they will hit the market and everything collapse. And the funny thing, someone tells me the other time, oh, I will wait until we have a big crash like this year, and then I will buy stocks. And I told him, who tells you that we will have a big crash or big correction like the one we have this year? So you will never know. What if the correction is 1 year or two, like what happened 2008, 2009. 2008, the market lost 50%, and it's the whole year. Okay, so you will never know. You will never know if it is 1 week or a month or 6 months or 1 year or two. You will never know. Okay, now why in correction or when we say correction and crash, what does it mean? For me, correction, it takes shorter time. But when there is a crash and when there is a downtrend, it means it is a crisis. It's like 2008 or 2009, where the whole market is going down for long. It's like what we call the bear market. Okay, the bear market is not that big. Most of the years it could be. I have seen like in the whole century or something, it could be like 3 years. I don't think that there are 4 years, but I see the Dow Jones, most of the thing is only 3 years going down, so it's not doing anything. Okay. Hello Fabian, hello Nasa. So why in the correction, which is 1 month this year, at the end of February, end of March, we have 1 month correction, all the stocks go down? So they say because of the coronavirus news. No, coronavirus news have begun in December 2019, when China has discovered coronavirus in Wuhan, okay, and they began to have a lot of cases, and from that in January it goes to Europe, and then the first case we get in America is 27 January. We have the first case, and then Trump has blocked America from Chinese or China, and then Europe, and then the whole world. Okay, so the news are there, but understand that Wall Street guys, when they want to hit the market, they just hit it. They decide when. Now you ask me the question, who are these guys? For me, I don't know. Now for me, I see their hands in the market, but I don't know who they are, or are there like what the people say, conspiracy in the stock market, or there is this what we call people, they say Illuminati, or it's just theories. Every person has his own imagination, his own theory about who are these guys. But for me, they exist. For me, I see their hands in the market. Now, who is a stupid person, an investor, for example, institutions, for example, okay? They put, for example, an institution put all their money, $500 billion in stocks, and then one day they decide to sell. This is stupid, okay? Because if the stock market is going up, they want to make more profits, because the profits for these institutions, for example, for 401k, for all this kind of pensions, all they get money, they get a percentage. The more the stock market goes up, the more they get a percentage, the more they make money. So it's not in their interest to make the market go down. Now when the market go down, people get frustrated. A lot of people, they take their money from the market, so they lose a lot of money because of the percentage of fees. And understand that a lot of these institutions, brokers, pensions, and insurance, banks, all they make money because of the people, customers, as they say. Okay, Mike, you say big mutual funds and hedge funds. Now, mutual funds and hedge funds are different. Hedge funds, they can sell short, but mutual funds, they can't. So a mutual fund is always going long. It's like most of the investors. Now, when you, like Warren Buffett, for example, Warren Buffett doesn't go and sell short, although he can ask any guys, traders, and they can do some play in the market. They can, but he didn't. Okay, he didn't. So he always buy long and let the companies grow, and then sometimes he sells, sometimes he keep some companies that he will never sell. Okay, like Coca-Cola, like other kind of stock of companies. Now, why the market in 1 month equals around 6 months in going up? It means the downtrend or the correction takes a shorter time, but the damage is very, very important. Okay, it's a lot. And when the market is going up, the trend takes time, like 6 months, from the low to reaching the same price as before, as in February. Okay, now the reason for the market to go down in crash or in correction or very quick is that we have two actions that are happening at the same time. One action is the hedge funds and all day traders, short sellers, because short sellers are it means they are day traders. Understand, we have millions of day traders in the world. They like when they see the days that are red, okay, because they know they can make more money and faster because of the hedge funds. Now, hedge funds, what they do, they sell shares that they don't own. Okay? But they should be big. Now, institutions, it means mutual funds, they are not allowed to sell everything they have. They have just a part they can sell, but they have rules, so they can't play too much. Now, when they see everything is collapsing, they can sell something, or they can buy puts, or they can do some stuff. But in general, they don't sell short. Now, who do the job of selling short and making money is the hedge funds. Hedge funds are private. Okay? They are private. It means it's not something that it is like mutual funds or like something like that. So they are private. Any Mike Kubak said Federal Reserve also. No, Federal Reserve has a hand of that, but it's not direct. Now, for me, Mike Kubiak, I'm speaking about trading. what did happen really in the market. Because Federal Reserve in the month of February and March, it's not a big deal. They do this and this, and the market collapse. It means it's not them. They can't control the market. The market is controlled by Wall Street guys. They leave, the market goes up, they can buy because they control it. Now, how do they control it? It's just by buying or selling. Now, if they buy more and more and more, okay, and sometimes they don't buy in real. They just push analysts to say good things about the market. Like what did happen in this year, 2020. At the beginning, January, beginning of February, I see that whenever I go to TV, although I don't watch TV, but wherever I see like Facebook sometimes, or I just go YouTube or I see CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg. I see they talk too much about the market is good. It's the time to invest. Now I doubt when I see these opinions. I doubt there is something is prepared in the market, but you will never know when it hits. So for me, it's the hedge funds. Now, it could be not just hedge funds. It could be big traders in the world. Okay? So all these. And in general, they are day traders. So, when they hit the market, everything is red, and the TV, when you go to the TV, they try to give any reason. It's because of this, it's because of this, it's because of coronavirus. Now, coronavirus is from December. Okay? So it's not in February, it's in December. And cases in February, we began to see cases. And after the market crashed, or we have correction, why the market goes up again? And our cases in America have been increasing, and the death toll has been increasing. So why the market has been going up? It means it is just a game. They hit the market, they take a big chunk of money from the market, and then when they finish their job, making a lot of money, they begin to buy again, in order that 6 months they will make more money. So they are in both ways. Sometimes they hit the market, they sell short, so they don't own any stocks at that time, and then they buy stocks and they own and they make a lot of money. And you can see they push the market. I can see this in the chart. Now I know maybe you, when you see the chart, you see it like a green candlesticks or red, and if you go to the TV, they say it's because of this, it's because of that. But for me, I don't believe in what they say. So I believe what I see. I see that someone is pushing. I don't know who is this person, but I know that one is pushing the market up or down. Understand that this person who's pushing the market down is followed by day traders. Because day traders, they like when the market is very, very volatile. It means when the days is going down, some stocks, they can lose 20%, 10%, 20%, 30% in one day. This is what they like. This is what they like. This is the big feast. And investors are crying and whining, and they can do nothing when they see their money is gone, or they lose 20% or 30% or 40% of their money. while the other day traders are making a lot of money. Okay, now, so what about this December? So in this December, nothing happened, but the market is in suspense. I see that nothing is going up, nothing is going down. Sometimes 1 or 2 days up, 2 days down. So it means there is nothing. Now what is left is maybe next week, tomorrow, until 31st of December. Now, if it is not, it could be any week in January, February, or March. It could be. Or it means for me, there should be a decision made by Wall Street guys, either to hit the market or to push it up. That's it. So I am waiting for that. Although in my account, personal account, and in the trading account, we have stocks, we bought stocks, and we are waiting. So some days goes up, some days goes down, but I am just waiting for the big deal. So is it going down? Like so I can sell everything I have and wait. If it continues to go down, we try to sell short or try to do like ETF, inverse ETFs, or buy puts or whatever, until we see where the market is going. Because the market, if it gets hit, and we will never know how many days or how many weeks or how many months it goes down. You will never know until it stops and the trend reverses. Now for this year, when the trend goes down, we were selling short. We make some money in selling short using ETF, inverse ETFs. And then when the stock market around 18 or 19 March, it stops going down, it's going up. So there is a reverse. So I begin to buy long. And from that time to November or December, everything is all right. So you see, whenever you know, when you see what's going on, you take advantage of anything that you see. Now, if you are a day trader, I'm telling you, these days could be good, could be bad. So just wait for the news. Okay? See, if you are day traders. For me, I don't do day trading anymore. I am not interested. I don't have time to watch news. I don't watch it. So I don't waste my time for day trading. If you guys you are doing day trading, you can do that. And this is because when the news comes, let's say bad news, or they hit the market on Monday. Just an example. Okay, whatever is the reason, because the reasons are stupid. Sometimes they give you stupid reasons. Okay, so the only thing you can do is you go and you participate. If the market is going down, you go sell short. If the market is going up, you go buy long. That's it. That's like anybody else. Mike said mini inverse ETFs are at 250 52 week low. No, listen, it has nothing to do with 52 week 1 year low or 2 years up, or no, don't see that. See the news, it has nothing to do with this stuff. News that goes to a correction or crash or downtrend, it stays many days or many weeks or many months. It stays. Okay? So it has nothing to do with 52-week high or 52-week low or moving average, or because it is not this one that moves the market. It's not the 52-week high that moves the market. It is the news, especially in a correction. For me, you don't need to see the news. When the market is hit, it is hit. Either they say there is a news or there is no. They should come up with the news. Understand, because you should understand what's the TV do, or what the TV does. TV is for entertainment. Okay, it's for entertainment. When you see the day, they say, for example, Monday was a red day. You go quickly and you watch. What did CNN said? What did CNBC, Bloomberg, any big website or gurus that are on TV or on YouTube? Okay, they talk. Oh, it's because of this. It's because of this. Okay, but Wall Street, they don't care about the reason. They don't care about the reasons they give. They give whatever reasons. It means they always come up with reasons. Okay, if you say, oh, today the number of cases of death has been a lot today, but every day we have cases of death, and every day people are dead, and the market doesn't respond to that. So understand that Wall Street, when they hit without any news. They can come up with the news. They see the news, they hit it, but they don't want to make the people wait and participate at the same time. Sometimes, for example, they do it in the morning before the market opens at 4 a.m. in the morning. They wake up and they begin to hit with millions of orders that it is coming from. So you are sleeping. When you wake up at 7 or 8 and you are a day trader, for example, you have this habit to wake up at 7, 8 or 9, you will find that some stocks have been going down 10%, 15%. And you begin to see what's going on. Okay? Or in the afternoon, especially Friday, where the market was fine, there is no problem. After market closes at 4, at 5 o'clock, you see billion or millions of orders, like selling short orders, and the market goes down 5% to 10% to 2% or whatever percent. Okay? And when the market is down, they buy back and they go in the weekend having a party. Okay? So because Wall Street, they don't hold positions. Okay? Some of the hedge funds, yes, they hold, but they hold when they know a company is collapsing. It has trouble. They have very, very long-term downtrend, so they sell short and they keep their position. Okay? So they do it every year, in good years and in bad years. They always do, because there are some companies, they are collapsing, and this I can see them, and I show guys how to find this kind of stocks, these companies. Okay, because they begin to lose business, or they have lost business many years, and the stock is going down. The market is going up, and these stocks are still going down. Okay, and for me, it's really easy to see those stocks. You can do, for example, options, put options. You can do that for this thing if you don't want to buy a lot, and you can buy cheap options. These are something, but this, I'm not talking about this. This is selling short for long term, and this, it is not what I am speaking about. What I'm speaking about is Wall Street correction or crash. It happens in few days or few weeks, but they do it day after day, or before the market opens at 4 a.m. until 9:30, they begin to hit the market, because they don't want a lot of people to join. Okay, when they get their positions good, for example, 4 a.m., 5, 6, 7 o'clock. No one is there. All the people are sleeping. Day traders are sleeping. Now, when the day traders wake up at 7 or 7:30 or 8, they see the market is going down. They just put their selling short blindly because they see that the day is red and it is very, very strong, high volume. They just do it. They say, okay, we will do it. The day will be bad. Okay? Now, understand that these guys, they do work on a daily basis. It means they are day traders. And this, no one knows who they are. It could be hedge fund with... but they understand that there are thousands of hedge funds in America and in the world. And they are linked to America. Okay? So it's not just American who are trading in US markets, but all over the world. Anyone now can have an account. For example, anyone in Japan, he can have an account in USA, broker, and he can sell short. He can buy Facebook. He can sell short in Facebook. He can do whatever he wants. Okay? So everybody can join USA market, except maybe for some countries that are banned from business. Okay? Hello, Pablo. I haven't seen you for many days. Hello, Rolf Wolfman. Hello, Herman. Thank you very much all for coming. So, in this live today, so I want just to tell you, just be prepared. Something good or something bad. Just be prepared. Next week or the other week or 2001 or January, February, March, it doesn't matter. Just always be prepared. Now, if you are scared, you should not trade. Understand that trading is a risky business. Investing is a risky business. It's not for those with weak hearts. If you have a weak heart, you should not trade. Okay? You can just invest for the long run and you forget about this investment because you don't get worried a lot, except in bear years where you see your investment flying. That's where you get worried a lot. Hello, Margaret Mitchell. Thank you very much for coming. So you just be prepared. If you are day traders, from tomorrow in the morning, during the day, in the afternoon, you can make alerts from your broker. Okay? Make alerts for some stocks, or for Dow Jones, or for some time of price, and follow the stocks. If you see that stocks are going up too much, it means that maybe you should continue or buy stocks or do some stuff. Or if you think that if you see that the stocks are going down, you can join, you can sell short, or you can buy put options, or you can do whatever you want to do. But understand that you will never know when, and except when you are day traders, you can feel that and you can participate in the day. Because these people are working in the day. It's not in the weekend they do this. It's always in the pre-market, or during the trading day, or after the market close. It's the market opens at 4 a.m. and finishes at 8 p.m. This is the market. It's not. Don't think always about the trading hours. When we have the general market, which is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is the general trading hours. But there are other trading hours. It's a pre, it means before the market opens, and after. Especially when there are news, it will be very, very active. If there is no news, you will see that stocks doesn't move that much. Okay? So be prepared. Mike Kubiak say set stops. Yes, you can set stops. You can do alerts. Alerts is very good. Alerts because you are at work and you use the cell phone, for example. You get a message from your broker saying, oh, Facebook has gone 5% down, and you own Facebook, then you should see what's going on, or you see the news, or you see whatever is going to the stock. Okay? Sometimes you get... so this is very good for you, just if you are a day trader. But you should not be very scared about the market. Because if you are scared about the market and to lose little money, you will never be a trader. You will always be scared to trade. I see... I taught someone before, was my student, whenever he loses 1%, he is scared and he sent me an email. Oh, Kareem, I lost 1%. I don't want to lose more than 1%. I say, okay, try to choose some stocks that doesn't move at all. Okay? Stocks that goes 5% a day. No, not 5%. 5 cents. You find a stock that it is $50 and it goes 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents. Okay, just to choose those stocks. At least you would not be scared. They don't go that much up. They don't go that much down. And you can invest and you get dividend. That's it. So this is what you should do. You don't be scared a lot, and going to work and you are in a bad mood, and you see that your stocks are going down, you lose money, and you begin to think that you are losing all your profits. And so don't be scared. If you are going to be a trader, don't be scared. If you are an investor, also don't be scared, because the market goes down for 1 month, and then the other month it will go up, so you will get back your money if you are investor for a long run. Mike said, but no protection after hours. Yes, but sometimes after hours, you see a stock goes 10% down, and then before 8 p.m., it goes back. It goes back. You see it. It's going down, go back. So if you are going to sell after the market close, what is this that you are doing? You are not doing swing trading. You are doing day trading. And here is the problem. After the market close or before the market close, the bid and the ask are very wide. For example, the stock closed at $20. Okay? Let's say the bid is $20, the ask is $20, 1 cent. The volume, let's say it is 1 million. Okay? So this is at 4 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, the stock can be $18 as a bid and $23 as an ask. So they don't let you buy or sell. So you get trapped. And let's say there is bad news. You will see that the stock, for example, if you want to buy, it was 20. If you want to buy, it is let's say $18. If you want to sell, it's $15. In this case also you can sell, because if you sell you get a big loss. Then in the morning you will find that the stock begins at $20.25. It means what was after, it was just a big transactions between institutions. That's why you got into the play. So for me, I don't trade after the market hours or before the market hours. I don't. Okay? But you can, if there are news, You can exit at any time. If there are news, the bid and the ask will be good because the volume will be high. Okay? So you can exit at any time. But don't be scared. If you are scared, if you don't let your money over the night and you don't want to hold, it means you should not be a swing trader. You should not be following trends because you get scared. Okay? It's like someone who can't sleep in another place than his home. Okay? Someone who likes to travel during the day, but he comes back home and he sleeps in his house. So he doesn't like to go and to sleep in a hotel because he has seen some scary movies about some serial killer in these motels or hotels. So you will be haunted with that idea that if you go outside you'll be killed. It's the same as the trading. You will have these ideas or that when you hold you will have a problem. But what if you hold and tomorrow we have a gap up and you make 20% or 30% or 40%? Are you happy with that? Oh, you say yes. So you should accept the risk and trade. Okay? So guys, this is what I want to tell you in this live. I don't want to be very long. It's the last week of December. Now, for me, last week in my account, I did not sell any stock. There is no need for that. So even my personal account or my trading account, I tell guys, don't worry about anything. But if something happens, you should make a decision. Even if you sell everything, well, you see some day, like Monday, you see it's red, for example, and you see it goes down too much in your stocks, you can sell everything and you wait for a few days, 1 week, 2 or 3, until we see what's going on in the market. You can do that. At least what you lose is just a little bit. Okay? If there is a correction, it means it stays many days or many weeks. You should exit for the first few days. You should exit. You should not stay too much. You see, this year, when in end of February, end of March, in 1 month, some stocks lost 40%. I see stocks lost 60%. What if you lose 60% of your money? That is stupid to stay. That's why when you see danger and you begin to see large losses, you should exit before you see that. Because losing little money is normal. It's part of the game. When you bet on something, sometimes you are not right. This is something normal. But losing 20 or 30% or 40% and you stay 1 month and the market is against you and you say this is normal? No, it's not normal. You are not a trader here. If you are an investor, yes, you stay, you don't want to sell. Maybe you buy more when the stocks go down, yes. But when you are a trader, you should make a decision. Okay? Now, guys, I understand that this subject is very small, so I don't want to go further. So, guys, if you have any question before we end this session, and be careful these days from Monday to Thursday, because Friday is the 1st of January 2021, if God wills, if you're still alive. So the other January begins with 4th of January on Monday, and we will see what's going on. So guys, if you have no questions, please just let me know, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We have just 4 days, and then we have the first in Friday. So there is no Black Friday, as they say. And this idea that I told you before, some they still repeat it, that in the end of in December the stock market will crash because the people they sell. It's not really always. It's not always. You can see the years what happened in December, and you will see it's not always red or always green. It depends. And I told you, Wall Street, when they hit, it has no reason. So don't come up with reason and you say, oh, this week the market will crash. And on the January 4th, the beginning of the first week in the new year, I'll begin to buy stocks. Yeah. But you don't know. Maybe the crash will happen in the first week of January, not this week. Okay? So stay just tuned, and just when you see something red, you can have alerts from your broker, and put some prices. Let's say the stock goes down $2 or $1 or 5% or 2% or 1%, or the Dow Jones goes down 1% or 2% or 5%. You just make a decision on which price, and just you make the alert and leave it. If you get an alert that the market hit that price and go down, it means you should see your stocks, and that's it. Manuel said they keep predicting crash after crash. Soon or later they will say, I told you. Is like predicting every day that it's going to rain. Yes, listen, Manuel. For me, I am not predicting anything. I'm telling you that Wall Street guys, when they hit, you will never know. So it's not a prediction. I don't predict. I don't care about predicting. But I will tell you something, Manuel. On the 21st of February, I sold all my stocks. So you tell me, before the correction. Now this is a feeling of a trader. Because I trade a lot all these years, I have never said that there is a correction or crash, except in 2018. Now I have a proof. I made a video. I think on the 27th January 2018, I made it on Saturday, and on Tuesday the market crashed. And you see, 2018 was a bad year, a bad year. Now this because I see things. I see what the people say. It's always like the contrarian. Wherever you see the people are very, very happy, they say it's a good year, possibly there is a bad year. But for me, I have never predicted anything. But just I do what I feel I want to do. Oh, and my subscribers on YouTube and my subscribers in my trading account, I tell them what I think and I practice what I tell. So it's not predicting. I don't say that next week we'll have a crash. It could be even next week, next month, next year, 2 years from now. It doesn't matter. But it is just the beginning, the end of the year, the beginning of the year. Sometimes we have changes. But these changes, you will never know if it is good or bad. That's why I told you. It could be good. It could be the market is going very, very good in this next week or January, February, or March. Okay? So it doesn't mean that I predict something in the future. No, I don't. He said, Manuel said, I wasn't talking about you, the experts. No, yes, I know, I understand you are not talking about me, but understand that especially TV, it's for entertainment. The people, they want to hear what the big guys are saying. Oh, this year Next year it will be excellent year. Just buy from now. I can't. I have never. I could never do that. I don't blindly buy stocks because someone tells me that next year will be good. I tell you, next year is next year. We are not in next year. We are not in today time. Tomorrow you don't know what will happen. So how can you expect for next year? But some people, each year they say the same thing. They know it will happen. It will happen. Okay. So each year in December or January they say, "Oh, January will be having a crash, and everything collapses, and this and this and that, and we have a housing problem." Some people, they begin to say that there is a new housing problem because in 2008 we have a problem. They say 10 years, 20 years, we have another crash. So they begin to have these ideas because these ideas are written in books. Some people think that when they read books and people, they talk about statistics, how many years and we have a crash, how many, they try to predict the market, and they are waiting for this, and they waited until the stock market goes down for 1 year or two, and they begin to buy. And then they say it's 10 years or 5 years, so the stock market is going up, so we will be making money. Yes, these are just strategies. Anyone can do them. But who tells you that you will stay to next year to see the crash? Who? Maybe you die. So you can't just predict anything, and maybe you are not here on earth. You died. It's over for you. Okay, you don't see next year or the other year. So these people, Manuel, how about the excess of liquidity and low interest rates? Investors have nowhere to go but to invest in the stock market. What do you think? Now listen, people who are following the ideas, they get trapped in these ideas. Okay? I'm telling you something. In 2018, at the end of the year, okay? In 26th of December, there is a reverse. There is some days the stock market was going down, and then there is a reverse. I begin to buy stocks, and I ask my friends, my subscribers in my trading account to begin to buy, and we wait to see if we are correct. Now, I was correct at that time, and we begin to see, and in YouTube, I say it's good, and the market is very, very strong and so. But at these days, we have the shutdown of the federal government. Shutting down the federal government was a bad news. But the stock market is going good. It's going excellent. So, when the market moves, it's not any news, any bad news, it doesn't affect it. Now, from March to now, the market is doing excellent. Now, but in America, how many thousands of companies, they go bankrupt? When they say these companies go bankrupt, where is it in the stock market? Because the stock market is something different from the economy. If you follow the economy, you follow the stock market, you find the opposite. Okay? This year, what do you think about this year, 2019? It's the collapse of USA economy. All the transportation, thousands of companies, they go bankrupt. There is no business. Some restaurants, they close. There is no business. Okay? Movie theaters, they go out of business. There is no one who is going to a movie theater. You see that? So all these businesses, they lost business. Why the stock market is going up? Because it's different. It's two worlds. Now sometimes it goes your way. The interest rate, they put it low. So the people who buy bonds, they go buy stocks, and the stock market goes up. This is something, it's not true always. Go and check it. Go check the history of for example, this lowering the interest rate and stock market. You don't find a big correlation. Okay? Why, for example, this year, when the market crashed in February and March, why it doesn't continue to crash? Because this year is bad in economy. Why? You see the game? So everything is a game. Stock market is a game. So don't put it as real economy stuff. Okay? Fundamentals about the company, yes. It is something real for the company. For example, you see a company, it's losing business. Now, for me, I will tell you which company is losing business without any looking at the fundamentals. You say to me, oh, Karim, you are crazy. Now, JCPenney and Sears, one of the biggest companies, they nearly go bankrupt. One is trading into, I think, OTC. And I showed in YouTube, I showed the years when the collapse began in 2018. I showed to them, for example, what is it? General Electric. When it was going down before they kick it out from the Dow Jones. 110 years it was with Dow Jones. But in 2018, when I do a lot of videos about the 30 stocks in Dow Jones, I see that stock not doing well anymore. So I asked my YouTubers, I say, okay, this company is having trouble. Although I have never seen the fundamentals. It was true. I think in July, they kick it out from Dow Jones because it's not because it lost 50% or 60% of its value. So Dow Jones decided to kick it out after 110 years, and they changed it with another company. You see that? So everything you can see it in the price of any stock. You don't need even to go to fundamentals, because fundamentals sometimes it's a big lie. Okay? They say to you, hold, the earnings this year is bad. It's just because of some stuff. But next year will be good. But who tells you that next year? These CEO and these executives are lying to the investors. And those people, those who believe in the company and they say they know better, they don't know better than you. You are losing money. Because these executives, when the company go bankrupt, the executives, they get their money, and most of the time they sell even before the market go bankrupt. Okay? Before 2 months or 3 months, they begin to sell their shares. Okay? Sometimes companies, the executives, when they see the company is not working anymore, they begin to sell. You can find this sale in the insider bookkeeping. You can find it online when these executives are selling millions of shares, but they don't do it like right away. They do it just little by little, and they give each quarter. They give that we are doing our best, and our company next year it will be good, and we promise you, and we promise. But the stock was $100. Today is $10. What is this promise that you promised me? The stock was $100. I lost 90% of my money. And you tell me next year the stock will be going up? Who tells me that it will not go to 1 cent and then the company will go bankrupt? And bankruptcy, you know, if I tell you this, guys, bankruptcy is a secret. They don't tell people that next month we will be going bankrupt. No, they do it. They do this bankruptcy, and when the stock is out of the market, it means there is no in the market. They announce it in the morning. They say, oh, the CEO said, we are very sorry, we go bankrupt. Now you go to your broker, you find there is no stock because it was delisted, and the company will be sold. It takes months. Now, did you get your money? No. Whatever money you have, and even there is no insurance. There is no insurance about the stock market. This is the only thing that no one insures the market. For example, you say to them, I have $1 million. I give you, I insure it if maybe the stock market goes crazy and I lose 50%. You give me my 50% that I lost and I pay you. They say no. There is no insurance for stock market. Okay? So be careful. The only one who knows how to manage your money is you. Don't let anyone else manage your money. Whoever, expert or not expert, it's you. You should take decisions. It's your investment. It's your trading. You should take decisions. Okay? That's the big deal. Political theater said, you look cold in that t-shirt. Man, I am having here, I put the heat at 80. Okay? Now maybe when I say that, when I put my hands like this, you think that I am cold. I am living in a cave. Man, I'm having here 80. Now I will, after I finish this, I will put it to 72 because it's hot here. I'm not cold. Okay? So guys, I think this is the end of the session, and thank you very much for coming. Well, so I will see someone has said, Chris, he said, hello, what do you think about Baba? Okay, so let's see. So as you can see, Baba has a gap down. I think this is earning news. Okay, so earning news, as you can see. So when you say what do you think, what do I think? So the earning news, I guess, if it is earning news, 13% is gone. I don't know what will happen in the future. So this is what you're asking me. I don't buy because there is a gap down or gap up. I don't buy. It's not my attention. But if you are going to buy any stock, you should look at my training, or you should look training 13. Oh, by the way, I forgot. I have put 50%. I think yes. A few days ago, I make a video and I put a 50% thing about my training, about my thing, and 50% of my subscriptions. So please look at the offer. Maybe you get interested, because whenever you get the subscription at 50%, it's a big saving for. But it is only for these 4 days until 31st, until Thursday at 31st. If you are interested, or you are interested to order a training, or you try the subscription or whatever, it's your chance. I didn't put the information. I will put them right now when I finish this live. I put this information because they were in the other video. Just video before I put this information. And you find it in last video. You find the subscription. You find this deal. It's just for those who are following me and they want a discount. And especially the good thing about subscription, I'm telling you, is the trading account. You follow me, what I buy, what I sell. I will give alerts when something is bad, when it is time to buy. I begin to buy. You see what I am buying and why I buy. What are the causes? Why should I buy? Which training I am using when I buy? Because mostly I have many strategies. Training level 2, training level 13, training level 15. There are a lot of strategies that I use depending on the market mood. Okay? Ali blah blah. Ali blah blah. Lo. Okay. So guys, if you are interested to see the discounts, I will just put them right away in just a few minutes. Or you can check the last video. If you have other questions, guys, as always, I'm telling you, as always, if you have a question, you have Facebook Messenger. Okay? Facebook Messenger, you can just text me at any time, day or night, if you have something. So you know my Facebook Messenger. I will put the Facebook Messenger here. At least you can I'll put it here for those. Oh, you like the blue shirt? I will sign it and send it to you if you like it. Okay. But I'm not very famous, so you can't sell it on eBay or Amazon and you say this is the shirt of that guy. I am not famous to get millions of dollars. So this is my Facebook profile. You can, without being my friend, you can just send me a text message on Facebook Messenger. You say, hi, what do you think about this or that? It's very good idea. Or you can just check the discounts that I have. Okay? So guys, it's too late. I know some people are working tomorrow early in the morning. I don't want to keep you that way. But wait, guys. This next week or the other week, whenever I put video, I don't put videos that much. I only put what we call the live on Sunday at 10 o'clock. But if there is any need, I will make more videos in the week, and depending on what I want to say, or there is something wrong in the market or whatever. Good night, everybody. And see you next week. Thank you very much.